Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here let's scroll down to find General Management. Now let's tap on date and time. And as you can see, currently we are using those automatic options for the date, time and the time zone, so we cannot actually manually change them. So first of all, let's turn off both of those options just by using the switchers, and now we can freely tap on set date and choose the date from this calendar. Just find it and tap on done. The same situation with the time, just by swiping. Oh my god. Just by swiping, choose the time you'd like to set. It will be immediately applied to the status bar. We can also select the time zone, just tap on the region, and here we've got, of course, all available regions from which we can choose, so just find yours and tap on it. For example, this one. Just tap. As you can see, it will be immediately applied, and of course be aware that after changing the time zone, that time will also change according to it. It's quite normal. Here we can also decide what kind of clock format we want to use. So right now we've got 24-hour format. If you want to use 12-hour one, just turn off this option. So basically, this is the whole customization of the date and time, and you can go back to all previous settings just by using those switchers, those two switchers at the top for automatic time zone and date and time. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.